learning about owl. So we turn around owl. So the dump truck, we're learning about police dump truck. Wait for a second, please. Police car. This police car can open the back. Can you see inside? Can't you see? See? I told you. So you can open like this and open it, and after that the dump truck cannot close it because it's broken. So the container just wants to move backward. So let's move it. So the red truck, we need to go backward. Now for the garbage truck, have to lay it down and to boy today. So latest shit. After that, we